Hello folks, my name is Enrique, here at Dean's Stove and Spa in the Plantsville section of Southington. Making a few pizzas today in these Clementi Pizza Ovens, imported from Italy, exclusive to Dean's Stove and Spa, 100% Italian made product, great product, come and check it out. So the way I start my fire on the Clementino or Clementi, we have a few different sizes. Small piece of wood like this, a couple of fire starters. I use 2 or 3 fire starters, get a good amount of kindling in there. Once that fire gets going, I add some bigger chunks of wood. At this point of the fire, as you can see, the kindling is going already. I'm gonna add some bigger chunks of wood, get that temperature. I like it at around 600, 650 degrees Fahrenheit. Spreading a little bit of flour so my dough doesn't stick to the board here. Start spreading the dough for our pizza here. I'm gonna make a couple pies today. 1 cheese, 1 pepperoni. These Clementi ovens are exceptional when it comes to making pizzas. Cook a pizza in 90 seconds, tops, depending on the temperature that you're using. Doesn't have to be perfectly round. It's a rustic pizza. It's meant to look rustic, original, as long as it tastes good. How much sauce do you like on your pizza? I like a lot of sauce on my pizza. Quality control, you know? Gotta make sure your ingredients are nice and fresh. Alright, that's ready to go in the oven. We'll check our temperatures, see how the pizzas come out. We're at like 550 degrees already where I like to cook my pizzas. We're just getting ready to throw the first one in. Pizzas are ready, like I said, 90 seconds or less. Getting ready to cut the final product here. Have some pizza. That's a good pizza. Alright folks, Enrique again from Dean's Stove and Spa in Southington. A few things about our Clementi Pizza Ovens, exclusive to us in New England. Great prices for a great product. Imported from Italy, 100% Italian made product. Come on down, check it out. We also have financing available. For as little as a cup of coffee a day, you can have one of these pizza ovens in your house. We have 4 different sizes. We have something for everybody. Come and check us out.